Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Bitget verification errors. Let's get started. First, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable network could cause verification problems. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. Restart your router if needed and check if the network is functioning properly. Go to your phone settings, find apps or application manager, and locate Bitget. Tap on storage and select clear cache and clear data. After clearing the cache and data, ensure that all necessary permissions are granted for Bitget. Go back by tapping the arrow and look for permissions. Make sure essential permissions like camera, storage, and location are allowed. If any permission are denied, toggle them to allow. Now, check if the Bitget app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Bitget. If an update is available, tap Update. Once updated, open the app and try the verification again. Finally, restart your device to ensure any changes take effect. Once your phone or computer is back on, open the Bitget app and try verifying your account again. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.